All right, guys, so if you know anything about me, you know about a year and a half ago, I found one of the most incredible products I've ever used. Philips One Blade. It's like a hybrid electric razor, disposable, whatever. And it's awesome. So right here, it has this interesting cross-hatch design blade, and it totally provides worry-free, nick-free, easy shaving. Now, the benefit of this is if you're sort of an informal guy, if you don't need an ultra smooth, ultra short, or ultra close shave, this guy tackles like a stubble like this, like a hot knife through butter. All right, One Blade. It's revolutionized the way I shave. I've done a series of videos about One Blade, and I love it. But I'm always looking for new razors and something that's going to compete with One Blade. And the other day I was at Target and I found this. Now Remington has its own One Blade knockoff, if you will. It's called DuraBlade. And it looks like it has the same kind of, they even come at you with this bold orange color that just pops off the shelf. It's one of the things that got me with One Blade. It was sitting on the shelf. It was like,
buy me, bitch.
Right? I mean, there you go. Look, that bright green color. So I'm going to do an unboxing now, and then I have to go somewhere later, and I'm going to shave. I'm going to do a shave off between these two after this charges. I'm going to shave one side with One Blade and the other side with the DuraBlade, and we'll see, right? Priced roughly about the same. The DuraBlade, I believe, was about $26 on sale, and it says that you never replace blades. I don't know what that means. But anyway, all right, so let's unbox it and do a little comparison. Now, the packaging is very nice. I don't really like the orange as much because it's just not my thing. They make these products like really hard to get out of the packaging. So, USB power, which is a little different than One Blade. I like the fact that One Blade gives you, you know, a power cord you can plug right into the wall. And then maybe I don't. All right, in the package also, you have a series of combs like One Blade for tackling your beard. If you want to trim, or this actually looks like an attachment for your hair. So I have to read up on that. All right. So it's a more substantial form factor than One Blade. Similar though in size and weight, just a little bit more brawny. Similar, but different. No cross hatching, sort of like a curved pivoting head here. So comparable, guys, comparable, but the proof will be in the pudding. How does it attack this ugly mug of a face? So I'm gonna put these both on charge, and I'll come back and I'll do the shave off. All right, be right back. Just waiting. But I do see an interesting difference right off the bat. Now check this out. So the DuraBlade has a charging light on the unit itself to let you know there's power being applied to the unit. I'm using their USB cord into my iPhone charger, little cube charger. Now the One Blade's charger supplies your light, so you know it's powered, but on the unit itself, no indication that it's being charged. It's a small thing, I'm not sure that matters, but hey. All right guys, so I'm back with the fully charged products, and now I am going to do the shave off. Now I was able to find out the information on the never replace blades claim. See, never replace blades. There's a little asterisk that says designed to remain sharp for 5-year product life. So if the DuraBlade shaves anywhere as close or anywhere as well as close to as well as OneBlade for $26.99, and you never have to replace the blade, or you don't have to replace the blade for 5 years. All right, so I'm gonna use DuraBlade on this side of my face, and I'm gonna use my OneBlade on this side of my face. Here goes. Now, since the DuraBlade is the challenger, we'll give the DuraBlade first dibs, first at bats. Let's try this out, guys. All right. Like OneBlade, it says to shave against the grain. So let's check it out. Okay, guys, first blush. Not half bad. Took that hair off, but I'm feeling a little bit of the stubble, but pretty easy. All right, let's keep going. Booyah, guys. Oh, pretty darn good. Pretty, and from my experience with OneBlade, pretty comparable to OneBlade, guys. Let's see how it edges. All right, guys, like OneBlade, no fear of getting nicked, none whatsoever. Rips hair off with ease. Now you have a little bit of stubble, so if you need that ultra close shave, it's not gonna do it for you. If you're like the 3-pass guy, it's not gonna do it. But what it does do is it dispatches that hair, and if you wanna do another pass with the traditional razor, that's what I use my OneBlade for. If I never have to change this blade, or at least for 5 years, if that's true, and I'm gonna do a review of this at every quarter to let you know if it's true to its word or if it gets dull. But at first blush, guys, no irritation, no hesitation, pretty even. All right, let's go with the reigning champion, my favorite OneBlade. But I can tell you right now, I've used it enough. Very similar, very comparable. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. All right, here we go. So using the two right off the bat, the OneBlade feels more precise. The head of it is just a smaller, more delicate, more precise tool. Comparatively, it gets a closer shave done too. But there's not that tremendous difference, guys. And with the cartridges, this replacement blade here, I think costing like $14 a blade, and you have to change it out every 2-3 months, 4 months. Okay, let's do the feel test. So there's definitely more stubble on the DuraBlade side. I think the OneBlade edges a little better and has a lighter touch, more precise touch. But if you're using this as your first pass like I do, just to kind of rip that hair off quickly and easily, or if you have to run out real quick, I am impressed, guys. I am impressed. $26.99 on sale at Target. Now, I've done a comparison with OneBlade against the Micro Touch shaver, and I'm telling you, the Remington DuraBlade stands tall. Very comparable to OneBlade, guys. Comparable. And now I may just use this one because I just dropped my OneBlade. Just dropped it. Passes the lip shaving test and everything. For closeness, style, and design, I'm gonna have to pick my OneBlade. For economy, you're not missing much with the DuraBlade. And if you never have to replace the blade, and if they're true to their word about that, and I will keep them to that, guys, I'm gonna have to say this is a strong contender. Strong contender for my OneBlade, my beloved OneBlade. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and remember, keep pushing play. And I'll see you next time, and I'm impressed. I am impressed.